We are ready to snatch a waist like Vicky James. Vicky James, the waist snatcher on Instagram. Okay, so tell me how I did. I'm sure this is very, very good. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to show you the reveal soon. What is up, beautiful people? Welcome once again to hellohnclothing. In this video, I'm going to be spilling the secrets on how to achieve a very, very snatched waistline. Okay, so for those of us that have big tummy, right, me included, I'm going to be telling you how you're going to get that perfect tummy lift. Now I'm showing you this corset, right? This is like a corset, and first things first, you want to have multiple boning channels in your corset. So this is my front. I have multiple boning channels there. So instead of sewing the boning channels just to one side, I actually split it open. Okay, so I open the seam allowance and I'm having double channels on each seam line, double channels. For the back too as well, I'm going to be doing the same thing. You have to iron your sewing allowance open, those two seams you opened, iron it open, and then you're going to be sewing those two seams as a boning channel. To create multiple boning channels, make sure that you don't have just 2 or 3 bones in the front bodice. That would not work. You need multiple so that it's going to hold you griply, firmly, griply, whatever. And then you want to make sure you are using eyelets. Like, you need to use eyelets. So you can see that I am creating my eyelets. If you're going to be using loops, well, it's going to work, but that means that the loops shouldn't be spaced far apart. The eyelet has more tension to grip you well. So the same way, if you've not watched this tutorial on how I create eyelets with my nail hammer and the eyelet plier, please click the link up here to watch that video. So I'm just taking my time. I create the hole with the nail, and then I had to use a wider circumference, a wider object to expand the hole well. So I'm going to be using that pen. I know you can see that pen on the table, so that was what I used to expand the hole. Yeah, you can even see me using the pencil and the pen just to expand the hole. And then I push the eyelet into the hole created. Make sure that you make all the excess fabric go into the sides. I'm just trying to push the excess fabric into the sides of the hole, so that way I'll be able to, the plier will be able to hold everything in place beautifully. So push the extra fabric, because you will see the fabric anyway. Just need to push it in, and then use your plier to hold everything together. Once you have done this, your eyelets will be beautifully created. So basically, with all these things we do as fashion designers, we just need to take our time. If you know you cannot do everything on your own, then please seek for help. Seek for help so that you can be faster, you can produce more garments, and you will not be overwhelmed. So right now I'm just trying to figure out where the second hole will be, since the other side, or the left side of the closure has already been done to the end. I am trying to match it up so that I have equal and symmetric eyelets on both sides of the back. So just keep doing that. Expand the hole, use another object to expand the hole, and yeah, you'll be good. So that is it, guys. That is it. Something else I want to add is, when you're going to be strapping along the back. You want to strap that waistline to cinch it. You actually want to make sure that you use a cord or a ribbon that will hold you tightly or firmly, and please, whoever is helping you lace the eyelet should actually not have mercy on you. Okay, so we don't breathe in corset. Okay, so make sure that you're properly strapped and snatched, and then you'll be able to achieve that perfect figure 8. Yeah, regardless of how big your tummy is, at least it will be able to cinch a little. Okay, also plan your pattern to subtract some inches off your normal measurement. You need to deduct inches so that you can be snatched. Aside that, you're good to go. So let me know what you think, guys. Let me know if this is something you'll be trying. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, till we see you in the next tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Yeah, drop a comment down below, and see you in our next video. Yeah, aside that, I also share my videos. Okay, thank you guys. Stay safe. God bless you all. Bye.